Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're curious if someone is using Snapchat Plus, in this video I will show you how to spot if someone has a Snapchat Plus account even if they don't tell you. So let's dive in. First step is to look for the star badge. The easiest way to tell is the Snapchat Plus star badge. It's a small white star with a black outline next to their display name. This only shows if the person chooses to display that they are a Plus subscriber. It's optional, so if you don't see the star, they might still have Snapchat Plus, but just turn the badge off. Second step is to look out for Snapchat Plus exclusive features being used, like custom app icons, friends pinned to the top of their chat, using Bitmoji backgrounds that you don't have, and also if they share their locations regularly, look out for ghost trials. Some Snapchat Plus features let users see who rewatched their stories. So if they mention you rewatched something, that's a good clue. But yes, there's no public list of Plus users and no official way to confirm it unless they show the badge. Snapchat respects user privacy, so spotting Snapchat Plus users depends on visual clues only. And that's how you can tell if someone has a Snapchat Plus account. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.